What if I told you there are specific phrases that can instantly make any woman see you as more attractive, more compelling, and more intriguing? And I'm not talking about pickup lines or cheesy compliments. I'm talking about psychological triggers that work on a subconscious level. In the next 8 minutes, I'll reveal exactly what to say to trigger instant attraction. These are psychology-backed phrases that make women feel understood, valued, and deeply connected to you. Anna, I noticed something unique about you. First phrase, I noticed something unique about you. Followed by a specific, genuine observation. Not about her looks, but about her mind, her humor, or how she interacts with the world. This demonstrates high-quality attention. When you notice something specific that others miss, you make her feel uniquely seen and understood, which is incredibly attractive. I noticed how you always find the positive in situations, or the way you explain complex ideas is really unique. Second phrase, you make me feel comfortable being completely myself. This shows vulnerability without weakness, and it complements her ability to create emotional safety. Women are attracted to men who can be vulnerable authentically. This phrase creates reciprocal intimacy and makes her feel emotionally skilled. Third phrase, I really admire how you handled that situation. This recognizes her competence and intelligence, qualities modern women want to be valued for. It shows you see her as an equal partner, rather than just a pretty object. Competence is the new currency of attraction. Fourth phrase, tell me more about what really excites you. This invitation to share passions creates emotional connection, faster than any physical compliment. Sharing passions releases dopamine. She'll associate that pleasure chemical with talking to you. Fifth phrase, I trust your judgment on this. Asking for and valuing her opinion demonstrates respect and positions her as an equal partner. Modern attraction is about mutual respect. This phrase signals you see her as a true partner. That's actually really impressive. Final phrase, that's actually really impressive. Said with genuine admiration when she shares an accomplishment. Not flattery, authentic recognition of her capabilities. Genuine admiration triggers feelings of being valued for substance, rather than surface qualities. These phrases work because they target core psychological needs. The need to be seen, understood, respected, and valued. When you meet these needs through your words, you become instantly more attractive. Authentic interest plus specific recognition plus emotional intelligence equals instant attraction. Important reminder, these aren't lines to memorize. They're communication templates to adapt to your authentic voice. The magic isn't in the exact words, it's in the genuine intention behind them. Key principles. Mean what you say, authenticity is detectable. Be specific, generic compliments don't work. Match your body language, consistency builds trust. Use timing wisely, context matters. Remember, the most attractive thing you can say comes from genuinely seeing and valuing the woman in front of you. Start with one phrase that feels authentic to you this week, and notice how it transforms your interactions. True attraction begins with authentic connection. Sometimes the right words are the shortest distance between two people. Now you know exactly what to say. If this gave you value, hit that like button and subscribe. For more practical psychology insights, share in the comments, which phrase will you try first?